Welcome to this lesson on diagnosing solenoid control circuits. We'll show you how to find the real fault with reliable tests and logic, not just guesswork. A solenoid control circuit relies on a complete power path from source through the solenoid, then via a module-controlled ground or switched power. When activated, the ECU commands the solenoid by closing the control path, allowing current to flow and perform work. The ECU can only observe voltage at its output, and sometimes inferred current, but cannot see whether current actually passes all the way through the solenoid, or if an open or short is present elsewhere. It sets codes based on abnormal voltage or current responses under command. An open in the solenoid path prevents current entirely, while a short to ground draws heavy current or holds voltage low. Each produces a distinct signal at the ECU and requires a different response. Recognizing these differences shapes your diagnostic direction. To test a solenoid circuit, back probe at the solenoid connector with a multimeter. Command the solenoid on. If power is present on one pin and the other reaches ground with minimal voltage drop, current can flow. If you see battery voltage on both and the solenoid doesn't actuate, there's an open in the ground path. If both are low, there may be a short or module fault. This test separates circuit and solenoid issues. Always follow a logical test path. Verify command, measure voltage under load, and confirm both power and ground. Use test results to decide: has power but no ground? Suspect the control path or wiring. Both pins dead? Check upstream power or fuses. This ordered process proves the fault source. Don't replace the solenoid or ECU just because you see a code or a single reading. Without verifying with a proper circuit test, you risk missing wiring, connector, or control faults. Always prove the fault by confirming the whole circuit's ability to carry current with the solenoid commanded on. Every solenoid circuit diagnosis should follow a logic path. Know how the circuit works, measure under command, check for both power and ground, and only replace components you can prove have failed. That's how you fix it right the first time. Thanks for following this step guide to diagnosing solenoid control circuits. Mastering these steps will make your diagnosis faster and more accurate on the next job.